Hello everyone, my name is Hafiz Abbas and this is my final presentation for the course ITT 310 Programming for Security Professionals. In this project, I developed a student record system in the C programming language. In this video, I will walk you through the progress I made over the stages, alpha, beta, and the final version. Project overview. This project is a console-based student record management system written in the C. The system allows users to add student information, view all students, search records by ID, and in the final version, save and load data from files using file input and output operations. With each week, I improved both the feature and code structure. So here is the some review from the first and second week. What I did first is alpha version. The alpha version was focused on building the basic structure. I added a simple menu that let user choose between adding a student and viewing all student. Data was only stored in memory during runtime. The version helped me demonstrate basic concept. So the next one is the second week was a beta version. So in the beta version brought a major improvements where I implemented file saving and loading, so student records can persist even after closing the program. I also added a search function to look up a student by their ID. This introduced me to working with file in C, including functions like fopen, fscan, f and fprintf. So the last and final version. In this final version, I cleaned up the code, made the interface easier to read, added input validation, and ensured all features work smoothly together. I also tested different scenarios like duplicate IDs and file not found error. This stage shows my full programming capability using what I have learned throughout the course. This project reflection and conclusion. This project helped me improve my C programming skills, especially with handling structures, file IO, and managing memory. I gained confidence in designing a working system from scratch and solving problems as they appeared. Thank you for watching my project demonstration, and at the last I will walk you through with my um, coding. I will run the program and see how it goes. So first I'm gonna start. Everything is good. So here my student record management system shows. Here I have 6 options. First is like adding student, second view students, search student by ID, delete student by ID, or update student by ID, and the sixth and last one is exit. So first we're gonna add the student, like just clicking at the enter your choice. First what we're gonna do, add a student. So now student ID. So for example, we write down 2025 the student ID, and now the student name, I'm gonna write down my name. Okay, this is name, the GPA. Okay, for example, we write down 0.3.05. Okay, so now the students is actually added. So now is like I enter to continue. I just press just the enter, or to start it again. So first, like let's view the program. Let me close some pages so it's clear for us to view. So and this is like enter your choice. Like let's view the program. We're gonna view it. So here we can see what we added. ID was 2025, name Hafiz, GP 3.05. Now we're gonna press enter again. So okay, now we can search. Let's search it. So enter ID to search. So our ID was 2025. So here is the ID. When we enter, so it gives the ID name and GPA. So we can again, like for example, if we want to, let's keep the delete for now. Let's update it. So we can see we're gonna update it. So press 5. So it said the enter ID by enter ID to update. So let's enter the ID. So for update now, we're gonna write down it. Before it was in a small letter, let's write down in a capital one, HAFIZ. Same thing. The GP was 3.05. I wrote down before. Let's write down 3.50. Okay, so the student updated like successfully. Now again, let's now view our update. I'm gonna enter 2 to view student. So here the ID was the same. I just before, if you can see here, I wrote down in a small letter, but here when I update it, I make it to a capitalized. So the GPA 3.50, I updated to 3.05. So let's uh, now the we're gonna test number 4. So we're going to delete that one. We're gonna just simply enter the ID. So is already successfully delete. Like for example, if we're going to say like a view, so no student found. So like for example, if we add again, so now a student ID, we're gonna say 105, like 1005. So name, I will add my last name, ABBAS. Oh, sorry, my bad. Here you go. And GPA like a 2.50. So student is already added. So we're gonna say view. So here is the we able to see. And so simply, like for example, if we press the now the exit the program 6. Okay, we came back to our coding system. Thank you for watching.